Welcome to another video of Well Designed, where we explore beautifully crafted tools and gadgets that make life easier and more enjoyable. My name is Bo, and I love well-designed products. Get your coffee ready and let's dive in. Allow me to introduce our first product, the Light Soy Lamp by Heliograph. They were kind enough to send me their award-winning lamp, which now illuminates my main desk with its warm white light. Here I am for a size reference. Its design is inspired by the smaller soy sauce bottle, often accompanied by sushi orders. They have crafted this lamp using 70% ocean-bound plastic that have been collected from polluted areas and upcycled into this beautiful oversized soy sauce bottle. A solid metal base, which can be bought separately, serves as a physical and visual anchor. But I find the lamp sits beautifully by itself on my desk. This lamp is equipped with a built-in battery that provides up to 20 hours of illumination, making it easy to move it around the house to provide the right ambience. It comes with a touch control that offers 4 levels of brightness and uses fast charge via USB-C. The lamp gives off a warm white light and creates a cozy atmosphere to any environment. Thank you so much Heliograph for providing me this unique lamp. I will leave a link to their website in the description for everyone who is interested in this beautiful lamp. Our next feature is the Orbit Key 2-in-1 Tech Pouch. As an enthusiastic follower of the Orbit Key brand, who are renowned for their beautifully crafted key organizers, I have witnessed their evolution of elegant solutions for everyday organization, from aesthetic stationaries like desk mats to desk organizers. They have now brought a new product to the family, the Orbit Key 2-in-1 Tech Pouch. It offers a versatile solution to keep your essentials organized. And here's me again for a reference. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a twin pouch organization system that allows for quick access to all your items while minimizing desk clutter. The detachable inner storage serves as a separate desk pouch. An integrated fold-down panel ensures swift and easy retrieval of items without the hassle of digging through the pouch. What I really enjoy is the external zip pocket, which has a cable pass-through, so charging devices on the go becomes effortless. The outer material of the pouch is water resistant. Even the zippers are well protected by the same material, keeping them away from the elements which will make them last longer. And its compact size is ideal for travel as well. Anyways, this product is currently available for pre-order. I will leave a link in the description to where you can find and get this tech pouch. What I love about my work as a designer is the opportunity to utilize beautiful tools that make the experience even more pleasant. One of my weak spots are mechanical keyboards. In a recent episode, I featured the Mojo 68 by Melgeek. It's a keyboard that holds a special place in my collection. Its wireless connectivity, striking visual design, and satisfying haptic feedback set it apart. And now, Melgeek has kindly provided me with its compact counterpart, called the MojoPad. And again, both for reference. It features the same robust plastic casing, wireless connection, and hot swappable switches. I chose the Kalebox plastic switches because I'm a big fan of a smooth and linear typing experience. Although linear switches are my favorite, Melgeek has sent me these additional tactile switches, and I have to say that I might like these even more. The MojoPad is perfect for quick calculations to manage my business, to track my monthly finances, or to do important calculations. It makes up for the lack of a numpad on my laptop and can be easily tucked away when not in use. But even if it just sits on your desk, it's a beautiful piece of tech to look at. A huge thank you to Lavinia from Melgeek for sending me this beautiful keyboard. I'm always looking for the best tool that can charge my phone, my earphones, and my smartwatch in one single device. I featured a few different ones in my last well-designed video. Feel free to check those out after this one. This year I set big travel plans, which will possibly change my life forever. I will share with you my plans in another video very soon. To accommodate these changes, I need to travel light and efficient. So unfortunately, I cannot bring my bulky Anker MagCube on my journey. The MagCube is a great stationary device for your bedside or your workspace, but because I will be on the move quite often this year, I need something that is more compact and practical. The answer to my needs is this 3-in-1 charger from Kuxio. It is made out of solid aluminum, is light enough for travels, and most importantly, it can be collapsed, which makes it fit seamlessly in my tech pouch. Bow for reference. This charger provides 3 charging slots, one for the iPhone using MagSafe, which magnetically connects your phone to the device, one slot for your AirPods, and one slot in the back for your Apple Watch. It also activates the standby mode if you tilt your phone 90 degrees. To charge the device, it uses a USB-C connection. The design is minimalistic, which is exactly what I like. Compared to the Anker MagCube, which is much bulkier and heavier, the 3-in-1 charger by Kuxio, due to the thin elements it uses, feels much lighter on your desk, which gives it a more elegant touch. The Kuxio charger also comes in different color variations like silver or wood grain, if that's more your style. It is exactly what I was looking for, and it will definitely come in handy on the go. Do you hydrate enough? I certainly don't, so I use these beautiful water bottles from Lark to remind myself to drink plenty of water. These aren't just fancy water bottles, they are also self-cleaning. With Lark's PureVis technology, they eliminate up to 99% of harmful bacteria like E. coli from your water. And here's me again, side by side. Simply fill it with tap water and then press the big button on the top. The cleaning process only takes 20 seconds. What's even more impressive is that compared to other non-self-cleaning bottles, it doesn't develop bad smells over time, since it kills most of the bacteria. That means you don't have to clean your bottle that often anymore. That's a double win for me. The Lark bottle comes in different versions. I own the Lark PureVis, which is the insulated version and keeps water cold for 24 hours or hot water up to 12 hours. I keep one big bottle at home and one smaller bottle on the go, and because it matches my backpack. Then I also have the Lark Movement PureVis, which is the lighter, non-insulated version. This was my very first Lark bottle, and you can see it has been banged up quite a bit, but still works perfectly fine. I use it mainly for the gym or if I have to head out for a quick trip. Alright, that's all I have for you this time. I hope you liked these stunning products, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you know any other well-designed products that you think I should take a look at, then please leave a comment and I'll be happy to look into it. Until then, take care.